Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome to all the new subscribers as well. Hopefully you will enjoy what I have to show on my channel. You are very welcome here, and if you have any questions, just pop them in the comments and I will get back to you. I'm pretty good. I feel like I'm pretty good. I feel like I answer within at least a day, sometimes straight away. If I'm hanging around after the video's been uploaded, I do comment back straight away. Right, let's get straight into it because it's quite a short video. We've got some almond nails and we're going to do a base coat. So I wanted to do, I think I've only done one Valentine set so far. I've done a lot of shorts, but I haven't done an actual set. So these are like a blingy black Valentine's nails. So I've taken Ballerina from Madame Glam. You can save 30% using my code. It's in the top left corner, little nail room 30 at madameglam.com. Ballerina is going on the thumb and the ring, and then we're going to use Perfect Black on all the other nails. And I think it's nearly time to crack out another Perfect Black. I'm getting very, very low on this bottle. So I'm going to do 2 coats of the Nude Ballerina and Perfect Black. Are you all having a good week? My week is going okay so far. My mum still hasn't gone into hospital yet. They've held off and they've sent her for 4 more scans, just to double check everything, I presume. But I've started watching Charmed again. Absolutely loved it growing up. So yeah, I found out that it's on Prime Video, so that's being watched. I've watched 1 season, 22 episodes already in a week. So bad. Right, I've taken the Perfect Black on a palette, and this brush it's actually from Shein. I think it was a pack of 3 for £1 or £1.50. And it was my favourite out of the pack, but I wanted it to be thinner. So I made it a bit thinner, and it's literally my favourite brush ever. I love it. I can't remember the lady that, I've always done it, but I've never been that confident about it, and I've always ruined brushes when I've done this. And I think is her name Katerina? I can't remember what her name is. She's massive on YouTube. Absolutely fantastic nail designer. Nail artist, sorry. She did a video a couple of years ago, I think, of how to make your brushes thinner, your art brushes. So I tried it out and it worked fabulously. It is so good. Absolutely love this brush now. I've just marked off on the thumb, and I'm going to do the same to the ring finger, a black French minus the floof. I'm only doing 1 coat of the black for the French tip. I don't think it needs 2 coats really. Madame Glam definitely doesn't need 2 coats. It all depends on what gel polish you're using, I suppose. Oh, I must say as well, I'm feeling very old at the minute. Realisation has like hit me that my youngest, I have identical girls that are my youngest, and they're 14 in a few days. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so old. You know when you have a baby and all the old people are like, cherish these moments because they'll be grown up in a blink of an eye. It's true. It is so true. And now I'm one of those old people. Cherish the moments, seriously. They grow up far too fast. Right, for that French, I am using the Born Pretty Nail Tips glue. I thought that would help with these rhinestones from Shein, however you want to say it. I couldn't find the Macart rhinestone glue gel. Found it after. It was in the drawer I was looking in all along. But this worked very well. I have used it once before in a Born Pretty, what was it? The red one. What was it called? Did I name it? I don't think I named it. It was a red set on my practice hand anyway. I used that Nail Tips glue gel to apply a tip and to secure some gems down. So I've used it for this one. Gone around that curve of the French, added some rhinestones from Shein, and then I'm going to fill in the gaps with some silver caviar beads, and I'll do the exact same thing to the ring finger. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And then once the rhinestones are on and it's all cured, I can top these now. These are all done. When you're topping, please, please, please make sure, because I keep seeing it. I'm not saying you guys do it, but I've seen so many people put rhinestones on and then just top coat over it, and it really, really upsets me. I don't know what. I think it's one of those like, what's your gripe sort of thing. If you do top coat over it, or the reason why we don't top coat over it is because all of those, the rhinestones got lots of little faces, facets, and if you put a top coat over it, you're filling in all the facets, and that's how it gets its shine. It needs all of those flat faces and stuff, so you put that top coat over it and give it a cure, and you're just smoothing it all out, and it won't be as shiny. It's still shiny, just not as shiny. So for the 3 black nails, I've put a layer of base coat down, haven't cured it, and I've got these white iridescent love hearts from Shein as well. I thought they were from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. They're not. They are from Shein. Got them last year, Valentine's last year, I think. Never used them. So I thought, let's just give them a go now. So I put a layer down, and there was little bits of glitter in that has like knocked over from the other little tubs that are next to it. But I didn't mind that. Worked out quite well. And I don't know why I said that like that. And then I got these. I used these the other day as well, but I noticed there was some white love hearts in these as well, like full ones, whereas those ones from Shein, the first ones, have got like the cutout in the centre. So I thought we'll just add some of them on as well. Why not? So I do that to all 3 of the black ones. So I'll just give you a little bit of information about my mum, because I didn't really go into detail. So she's been suffering from high blood pressure for quite a while, and a doctor was keeping an eye on it, and she was given some medication and stuff. And then her regular GP wasn't available. So she got to see a different one, and he had a listen and found a murmur, and then said, actually, I just want to send you off to go and get checked, give you a quick ultrasound and MRI on your heart, just to double check everything is, you know, honky-dory going on in there. And it came back that she has an enlarged aorta. It should be about 2 centimetres, and it is 7 centimetres. It could literally burst any minute. So that was 2 days before Christmas, and she was booked in for the 28th of December, sorry. Then she got COVID, so they had to book her in for after she got better, but then they said, actually, we just want to send you for a few more scans. So she's got some more scans on the 1st of February, 4 in one day, and then we will get some answers as to when she actually goes in for surgery. But I just wanted to let you know the short story of it, because I did mention it, and you were all so sweet. You really were. And I really, really appreciate all of your well wishes and your prayers. And yeah, it really, really meant a lot to me. Thank you. Right, so what have we missed? Those hearts are a little bit bumpy, they're a little bit sticky out, so I put a rubber base coat over the top. A Born Pretty one. You can save 10% using my code TLNR10 at bornpretty.com. I'll leave a link down below in the description. I've buffed over everything, give everything a quick file, give it a wipe, and then I found the McCart rhinestone glue gel. So we've used that on the index and the middle finger, and I want to create like a love heart. So it's like half a heart on the index and then the other half of the heart on the middle, so that when you're wearing them, they're like joined together. So we're going to put the same pack of rhinestones along that line, fill it all in with the caviar beads again, and then we can give that a cure and give it a top coat. So I'm just top coating that pinky. I didn't put any crystals on. I really considered putting a few around the cuticle, but I just left it. We've got literally rhinestones on every single nail but the pinky though, so you might feel a little bit left out. I kind of regretted not choosing my nail sizes when I did this, because at the end I was like, I love these. I love them so much. Hopefully you guys did too. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button while you are there. It would be greatly, greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the week. Thanks guys, see you on Sunday. Bye.